Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kerry. Today I'll be showing you how to make this fox scarf. The scarf is made using my Eva scarf pattern in a cream colour, which is an easy pattern, and the foxes are from my baby fox pattern, which is one of my more difficult patterns. I'll include links for both the patterns in the description below. I made the scarf using 8-ply yarn, which is light worsted in the US and double knit in the UK. The foxes and leaves are worked using Scheepjes Maxi Sweet Treat 2-ply crochet cotton. I used autumn tones for the leaves. I used 21 leaves for my scarf in various colours. I made them all the same, but if you'd prefer you could make leaves in different shapes. Now I start with 9 chain. I miss the first chain and work 1 slip stitch in the next chain. For a slip stitch you put your hook in the stitch, bring through a loop and take it straight through the loop on the hook. Then I work a single crochet in the next stitch. A single crochet is a double crochet using UK terms. For a single crochet, put your hook into the stitch, bring through a loop, put your yarn around the hook and take your hook with this yarn at the end through both loops. Then I work 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. That's a half treble using UK terms. For a half double crochet, put the yarn around the hook, hook into the stitch and bring up a loop, yarn around the hook and take your hook with the yarn at the end through all the loops. Then we work 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. A double crochet is a treble using UK terms. For a double crochet we put the yarn around the hook, hook into the next stitch and bring up a loop, yarn around the hook, take the hook with the yarn at the end through 2 loops, yarn around the hook, hook with the yarn at the end through the remaining 2 loops. We need 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches as well. Then we work 1 half double crochet in the second last stitch and a slip stitch in the last of the chain. Then we work 2 chain and slip stitch in that same stitch as our last slip stitch. Now we're going to work up the back of the leaf in that loop of the chain. So we work 1 half double crochet in that first stitch. I'm going to work over the top of the tail, so I hold it against my work. Then 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. One half double crochet into the next stitch. A single crochet into the following stitch and slip stitch into the end of the leaf. And that's the leaf done. So I'll fasten that off and weave in the ends, and I'll be back and we'll put the scarf together. To make the scarf up, I attach a fox to the right side towards the bottom of each end of the scarf, with the top of the foxes pointing towards the middle of the scarf. I have a video attaching appliques to a crochet item. I'll put a link in the description below. I then pin the leaves to the scarf randomly until I'm happy with how it looks, and then stitch them down. And there's the finished scarf. If you've liked my video, please like, subscribe and share. I'm also on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The details are in the description below, along with details of my website where I have my patterns, details of my Facebook group and my Patreon. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.